Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add someone on Google Chat on phone. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Google Chat application on your Android or iOS. If you don't have this application in your phone, just go to the Play Store or Apple App Store and download it from there. So open up the chat application, and then first of all you need to sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, so if you have signed in with your Gmail account in your phone, then it will automatically will sign you in this Google Chat app. Okay, so now I will tap on spaces here, and we have this new chat here. So I will just tap on this one, and now here you can see that we have this option where it says invite people. Okay, so just click on this one, and now here you can basically invite pupils. So the best way is to find someone by their Gmail address. So if you want to add someone, just get their email address from them and search it here, and then they will appear here, and then you just need to tap on their name and they will be added into your Google Chat here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.